In this tutorial, we will walk through the basic functionality of test runs. Make sure that you are on test runs. This icon opens up the test runs page. So, first of all, here you can see all the test launches that were executed recently. You can filter the results by different criteria. We can filter it by test status, by the environment, by platform name, by time range, and actually the name of the test suite. Another option to filter your test runs is to create a stored filter that may be used on a daily basis by you and your teammates. So we press Add Stored Filter. Let's say we're interested in Chrome failed tests. We make it public. We specify platform equals to Chrome, add criteria, and status not equals to past. Add and create. And finally, we choose the stored filter, and you can see we get only the failed test runs with Chrome platform selected. We click on one more time, and we get back the default list of test runs that we got before the filtering. For every single test run, we can get the idea what is the test suite name, the environment, the platform, how many tests passed, failed, skipped, etc. You can get what is the execution time. So for every single test run, you have different options. You can open up in you can open up the results in separate window, copy the link and share with colleagues. You can mark the test run as reviewed and provide some comments here, and you can see that this new mark appeared. You can send it by email, export to HTML, you can delete test run, and also you can rerun with some additional arguments. So if you're going to analyze the test run results, you're just clicking on any item in the list, and here you can see we have all the test details. We have 5 tests executed with 1 failed test, and we can get the idea of the failure test stack trace, and you can get the idea of the test owner, the execution time, all the test tags, and actually the reference to Jira ticket that basically describes the test steps that are automated. You can filter your test results by different statuses like failed or passed or any other. You can order by execution time, and also you can group tests by different criteria like class name, like package name, and tags. Also, you can mark tests as passed or failed manually if it's required. In some cases, it's really useful to link a known issue to your test. In this case, let's say I'm linking this demo ticket, save it, and you can see that we have a red label that displays that we have a known issue, and the same known issue is displayed in test statistics. So in next test runs, when we get the same test failure with the same stack trace, it will be automatically identified and displayed with the same label. And finally, if you are going to analyze the test flow itself, we are clicking on test details. In this case, all the test steps are tracked in test log area. You can get the idea about the platform, about the actual status and duration, and also you are capable to view the test flow by the video. You can maximize it. All the comments here are displaying what is going on right now in the test script. And yeah, that's it.